What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Lincoln MKS smart key remote fob. This Lincoln MKS key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we're going to do in order to replace the battery is remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of our key fob. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. Now if we hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we take a look at this space right here, you can see there's this little tab right here. And what I'm going to do is put the emergency key under that tab and then just pry up. And as I do that, it pops the back cover off. Go ahead and pull the two halves of the case apart, and then in the back half of the case we see our battery right here. And for this, I'm going to grab a small flathead screwdriver. You may be able to get this out with your finger, but a flathead screwdriver or something similar makes it easier just to get under the edge of the battery. Pop it out of that holder. Then I'm going to grab my new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing the replacement battery with the plus side down. Pop it down into that little holder, and then we can snap the two halves back together. Slide the emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.